for joining me for part 2 of our smudging series, Palo Santo. Palo Santo is a Peruvian wood or South American wood. The pieces that we have are found lying on the ground, so there's no trees hurt in the process of getting Palo Santo. Palo Santo is a very fragrant wood. I like to describe it as almost like an anise type scent, black licorice, with a very earthy tone. Its smudging uses would be prior to meditation or potentially yoga. It allows one to feel grounded and connected to nature and rooted in their own existence. Palo Santo also assists in attracting positive energy and raises vibrations. Again, some people will chip the Palo Santo up and burn it in an incense bowl. That's fine, that's what you choose to do. I typically will light it like I do the sage, and then waft it around. Again, I don't really say anything when I'm doing Palo Santo. It's more of a body-mind connection. Typically, I'll waft it around and hold it in front of myself and breathe in the smoke. I got it lit pretty good on that one. Okay, you can see the smoke wafting about. Again, I'm going to move the Palo Santo around to the area that I'm in. My thoughts are in being grounded and connected. Positive intentions and positive vibrations. Again, I'll set it. This is already burnt out. If not, I would put it out in my abalone shell. Or you can let it continue to smolder and place it to the side. Much like sage, it will put itself out. Okay, thank you for joining us today. Again, my name is Dauphine from Readings by Dauphine. You've just watched part 2 of our smudging series. Join us for part 3, which will allow us to explore sweetgrass. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, have a kind day.